Respected Chairman, Mr. Sandeep Kedia ji, Trustee, Mr. Sanjay Shikaria ji, Director, Mr. M.K. Srivastav ji, Principal, Professor Navneeta Khrist ji, our talented faculty, staff, and lovely, hardworking students. Greetings from New York, USA. Namaskar. It is indeed my honor and pleasure to be with you all via this video message. Congratulations for having successful first event along with NSS Erica chapter number 13 of Uttarakhand and along with Nursing Scholar Society. Happy World Teachers Day to you all. The theme chosen for today's celebration is Empowering Educators for Progressive Future. We feel proud of getting more empowered and celebrate our great image of nursing profession, but glory comes with responsibilities. It is a need of the hour that we educators focus on challenges such as technological development, cultural diversity, hands-on skills, competency-based education, and evidence-based practice, which is EBP. It makes imperative for us nursing educators to revise our existing nursing curriculum while considering 7 core competencies. We need to develop strategies to review literature and revise our curriculum while utilizing competency-based education, student-based, what student can do. Evidence-based practice will ensure that nurses are well equipped to access and create the latest evidence that they can continue to deliver up-to-date patient-centered nursing care. In Western countries like USA, Canada, these modules have been used for quite a while. And in India, we need to hasten the process of including in our education system. They are all teaching here to their students how to critically approach new research findings and incorporate those findings into their nursing interventions and have better patient outcomes. We indeed need these produce quality product nurses. We are preparing for the future by improving our content, method of implementation, revised curriculum, and prepared nurses, skilled and budding nursing leaders who will be carrying our prestigious professional nursing torch into next millennium. My best wishes on behalf of NSS to you all. Once again, thanking the Arogyam management for being unconditionally supportive always to enhance new strategies in our nursing curriculum of the college benefits, which will be very, very imperative and important for having quality nursing students. Happy Teachers Day, Professor Emeritus Dr. Suresh Narula Khanna. I'm the seed founder and patron of NSS, and enjoy and have a successful event, and kudos to your principal, to your faculty, to you all students and the nursing staff who had been helping in short time to have this event.